Epson EcoTank 3110 Lira all-in-one ink tank printer, black. Printer type, ink tank. Functionality, all-in-one, print, scan, copy, scanner type, flatbed. Printer output, color. Connectivity, USB. Pages per minute 33 pages, black and white, 15 pages, color. Cost per page 7 paise, black and white, 18 paise, color, as per ISO standards. Ideal usage, home and small office, regular heavy usage, more than 300 pages per month. Page size supported, A4, A5, A6, B5, C6, DL Duplex Print, manual print resolution 5760x1440. Compatible ink bottle, T003, black, T003, Cyan, T003, Magenta, T003, yellow, page yield 4500 pages, black and white, 7500 pages, color, comes with 4 original Epson ink bottle, 1 of each color, BK, C, M, Y, inside the box. Warranty 1 year or 30,000 pages, whichever is earlier. On-site warranty from the date of purchase. Avail free installation on this model from Epson. Contact us on 1863-1600 timings, 9 a.m. 6 p.m. Post receipt of product to book and schedule free installation and support. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.